We are totally live here from Sweden, Nerdköping, am I right?
Nyköping.
Nyköping, sorry.
Yeah.
Hello Eric, mate. This is the application to Shack. What you gotta say?
I drink beer.
You drink beer, yeah, fair enough. I think we know that already, since the beer is nearly on the camera. Yeah, you actually... That's your first beer tonight?
No.
Okay. Anyways, you play World of Warcraft, I heard?
Yeah?
Yeah. And you just wipe at Magister Terra. Yeah, that's the World of Warcraft. Anyways, what's your class? How do you
Shaman.
play? Class?
Totems.
Style of play? Yeah? Okay. Bloodlust, Ember? Okay, fair enough. Why do you wanna do the application to Shaggy?
I was told to. I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
Okay.
You better listen the fuck up.
So, why did you leave Serexki?
Because I was bored on hearing heal faster.
Oh, who said that?
Elisa.
Erisa. Oh, that was the healing officer? Or
Yes.
something like that? Okay. So that's fair enough. You left and you joined. You want to join?
Yeah,
sorry,
exactly,
because
I wanna join.
this is an application. You're currently guiltless,
But
of course.
Of course, since you say join now, I know that you will recruit me.
The problem is maybe I can. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fair enough. Well. Here in Shack we are like. If you really want to join, you gotta do like a joke and a cat picture. So I would like.
Cat picture, well? What's that?
I'll explain later. But from now we want a joke from you. So go ahead, mate.
Right now?
Yeah.
I need some time to think about something.
Okay, then you can do the cat picture first.
What's the cat picture?
You just need to.
Like my war face?
Yeah, if you want. If you think that's a cat. Very good, man. Very good. Certainly applause from me.
Lemon face.
Anyways, you thought about a joke? I can ask you something else then. You're playing a chamois, yeah?
Yeah.
You're
Healing?
you're gonna stay with your resto?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. You're gonna stay with Resto Chamois?
Yeah.
Okay, and why do you like Resto Chamois?
Because I only have one spell. I have two buttons to focus button.
Yeah.
That's
Sounds promising, mate. It's yeah. You really focus about two buttons. I can hear that.
Remembering what it is.
Oh, I know now. It's Mana Spring.
Mana Spring, yeah.
And
Yeah, that's a good one.
Chain Heal.
Chain Hill, yeah.
Because I don't have fucking Swiftman.
You don't.
Hi,
You
Tycoon. Swiftman is really catchy.
you spec away from Swiftland or?
I don't have Swiftman. I have natural swiftness.
Yeah.
It's the macro called.
Why are you
slash
speaking
cast-
about the
Actually, I have it in my macro, you know. It's slash cast slash use. Ribbon Sacrifice. Yeah. And then
But-
no.
Can I ask? If you don't have ribbon of sacrifice trinket, what happens then?
Then the macro box out.
So actually, it's not a good macro.
It's a macro. Because
Already now
you can type slash macro. You bring up the macro menu. You can just delete the first line.
But when your main tank is about to die, it's not really good, is it?
Yeah, but the what is it?
I'll just tell you because the main tank in Shack is the guildmaster as well. So you should be very careful about letting the guildmaster main tank die.
But I'm usually just cross-selling, so
No, okay, you're raid healing, yeah, of course, yeah. Okay. Anything you wanna add?
the joke.
The joke, yeah, I was coming back to that, but you found a joke.
No.
And I don't want to hear a mama joke.
Okay. Well, Can I tell it in Swedish?
Ja, du får prata svenska.
Jag pratar svenska. Två blondiner pratar med varandra. Och den ena säger: här har ett tåg just passerat. Och då säger den andra: hur vet du det? Jo, ser du inte spåren efter tåget?
Really funny, mate. Really funny.
If you got enough beers in your system.
Oh, okay.
It's shite! It was like
And maybe if I understood Swedish, it would be.
as funny as an ashtray.
Anyways,
Yeah, she's fine.
Eric, you have actually gone past 5 minutes now, and that's a bit too long. But I wish you the best luck.
You asked me the questions, you give the answers.
But you were thinking too long, mate. I'm sorry, but I wish you the best luck.
I don't need luck.
You sure?
I have chain heel.
Okay. Bye bye, mate.